You're trying to pick a new television. Simple, right? Except it's not. There are dozens of brands, endless models, and a sea of acronyms. You research for weeks, get overwhelmed, and end up watching shows on your phone. Or maybe it's a career choice. So many paths, all equally possible, all equally paralyzing. The problem isn't you, it's the noise. We're drowning in information, convinced that more research will bring clarity, but more input just leads to more confusion and hesitation. We chase certainty, but it doesn't exist. So we poll friends, read reviews, and crowdsource our lives, hoping for the right answer. The more opinions you gather, the quieter your own voice becomes. In the end, you're left with a decision that pleases everyone but yourself. The real cost? You lose touch with what you actually want. You don't have a decision-making problem. You have a distraction problem. Your intuition is a faint signal, drowned out by the noise of notifications, expectations, and everyone else's highlight reels. Every time you seek more input, you invite more chaos. The answer isn't out there, it's inside you. Your gut feeling is the only expert on your life. The first step is to turn down the outside world so you can finally hear yourself. It feels risky, but it's actually the only way to navigate your own path. The problem isn't choosing, it's listening. Here's a radical idea. Next time you face a big decision, don't tell anyone. Don't ask for opinions, don't post a poll. Just sit with the question in silence. At first, the noise in your head will be deafening. Let it pass. In the quiet that follows, your own voice emerges. Give yourself time. Let the question marinate. Go for a walk, do something mundane, and let your subconscious work. When an answer surfaces, trust it. Ask yourself, if no one would ever know, what would I choose? Decide privately first. Only then, if needed, seek feedback, not for answers but for perspective. You're not lost, you're charting your own course. Let's get practical. Here's a 3-step method for any decision. First, shut off all new input for 24 hours. No more research, no more opinions. Sit with what you already know. This is your detox phase. Second, test drive one option in your mind for a day. Imagine you've already chosen it. Notice how you feel, relief or dread. Your body knows before your brain does. Third, consult just one trusted person. Present your plan, ask for perspective, not permission. Remember, you might still make mistakes, and that's okay. The goal isn't perfection, it's decisiveness. Waiting for certainty is just another form of paralysis. A wrong turn teaches you more than standing still. Inaction is the real enemy. Decide, learn, and move forward. Oof. We treat decisions like they're permanent, but most are just steps, not life sentences. You can change your mind, pivot, or walk through another door. The fear of being wrong keeps us stuck, but every choice is a data point. The only real failure is refusing to choose at all. Life is a series of course corrections, not a straight line. Trust your inner voice. It gets louder the more you use it. Start small, pick dinner, choose a movie, decide without consulting anyone. Build your self-trust muscle. Your life is yours alone. No one else can live it for you. So take a breath, turn down the noise, and just decide.